This person posts 3 times a day, never gets tired, and she's not even real. AI influencers are becoming real
brands, building massive audiences and generating real revenue.
And here's the crazy part. The person who created this avatar has zero design experience and started just a few months ago. So in the next 10 minutes, I'll show you the exact 3-step system to build your own. And by the end of this video, you'll have an AI influencer working for you around the clock. The first step of the process is choosing your niche and identity. And for this part, you actually want to choose a niche in which you can build a product around. This basically allows you to monetize your avatar without needing millions of views from the platform. Because think of it like this, would you rather build an influencer that needs to get hundreds of thousands of views every single video in order to see results? Or would you actually like to start making revenue from the moment you build your avatar? Because when you build a digital product around an influencer, you don't need to depend on the platform to actually start seeing results. Let me put it this way, building an influencer without a product is like putting up a billboard and praying cars drive by. You need massive traffic just to see a return. But building an influencer around a product, that's like opening a store. Even with small traffic, you can make money immediately. You're not dependent on the algorithm. You build something that converts from day one. That is why for this example, I'll be choosing the skincare niche. Step 2. Bringing the avatar to life. Okay, so to generate our first image of our avatar, what we're going to do is we're going to use the master JSON prompt generator that I've made. That is basically going to allow you to go back and forth with ChatGPT in order to completely master and build a brand identity around your avatar. You can find this prompt in our free Telegram group. This is going to form every aspect of how your avatar looks and to make sure that it does not look like every other influencer that has fake AI skin. Alright, so you can find this prompt in our Telegram group, so I'll just copy the entire thing. Yeah, it's a pretty long prompt, so make sure to copy the entire thing. And then I'm heading to ChatGPT and I'm pasting it inside. So as you can see, this prompt kind of works like an interview where I have to answer detailed questions like gender and age range, the photography style, which camera style I want, which camera angle, the background, scenario, eye color, everything your avatar needs. So I'll just quickly fill out this. You can also add a reference image of how you want your avatar to look like, so you can literally just pick a movie star or somebody you know and use them as a reference. So I'll fill out everything real quick. For the reference image, I will be using a picture of Ariana Grande. Basically, I've filled out everything, so I'll just add the reference image and I will hit submit once it's loaded. Make sure you fill out every single relevant detail so that your avatar actually become exactly how you want it to be. After uploading a reference image and filling out every single detail, I will now get the finalized JSON prompt, which I can basically just copy and paste into an image generation model. So I'm going to copy the entire thing. As you can see, it's pretty long. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to head to OpenArt. Inside of OpenArt, I'm going to be using Nano Banana Pro to create my base image. So I'm going to head to image. Okay, so I'm going to paste the JSON prompt that I just created. And I'm going to select the model Nano Banana Pro. And I'm going to make 2 images, one mobile ratio and one landscape ratio. So I'll start with the mobile one and then click generate. Okay, here's the image, and the next thing I want to do is I want to take the image that I just created and use it as a reference image right here. And then I want to delete the prompt that I just entered, and I want to paste in this hyper-realistic skin prompt. So I'm also going to add that I want to add an editorial grid/model sheet. This is essentially going to allow us to create a very good image of our model next to each other in one image. And it's called a model sheet. So I'll change the ratio to 16:9. And I'll hit generate. Alright, so after entering in this prompt, this is exactly what we get. A model sheet which looks really good. I want to make a few more images, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the prompt that is already in the chat box. And I'm going to enter the already existing image that we just made. And I'm simply going to enter in this prompt, different angles, editorial and cinematic, just to get a few more images of our avatar. Alright, let's check it out. So this was what we got. This looks really good. And now we can use these 3 images to create any image we want with our avatar. Okay, now that we've made some images, it's time to make some content, and I already have something in mind. We're going to create a video in relation to our niche, which is skincare. For the content part, I'm going to take this prompt called skin analysis and use it with the image of the avatar that I just created to make a video for Instagram. Every time someone comments AI on my video, I will send them the prompt so that they can use it themselves. For this example, I will use one of my personal AI avatars, but regardless, to make the video, I used the prompt with an image I created of my avatar. I also made sure that she had visible acne so that the prompt and the image would work. So what this prompt does is that it basically analyzes your skin tone, the barrier, and what exactly is wrong with it, and it gives you instant feedback on how to fix it. So I'm gonna make the video real quick and show it to you.
One selfie and get your perfect skincare routine with Nano Banana Pro. Just upload your image to Google's Gemini, use this exact prompt, and hit generate. That's it. Comment AI and I will send it to you.
To make this video, what I did was that I took the images I made of my avatar with acne. I made multiple ones in different angles, and I just screen recorded myself using it in Gemini. If you like the idea of an AI influencer and you are serious about it, you should check out our avatar launch community. We help you build a powerful brand using AI avatars. Inside, we don't just teach you how to create a digital twin, we show you how to monetize them without needing millions of followers, and how to use AI to generate content 100 times faster than any human could. If this sounds interesting, join our free Telegram group and check out our training video pinned in the description.